Hey everyone, I hope you guys are going to be joining me. Just to introduce myself, for those that don't know me, I am Tana Nearings. I'm on the island of Maui. I run the Maui Service Center over here. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having fun doing little projects and having a little more time to yourself. Let me know who's here. Type in the comments what troop you're from, if you're going to be joining me. Today we're going to be making origami rockets. So these are super cute, but I'm going to give it a little more time just to give people time to log on and get ready. What you need for this activity is just a piece of paper and a straw or bendy straw. Bendy straw is better, but if all you have is regular straws, that'll work too. So let me know who's here. Type in the comments. I hope everyone's having fun. Like, I don't know about you, but being in my house makes me want to cook more. Like, I get to make new things. And Troop 109, hey, welcome. Nice to have you. I hope there's more that's going to jump on. Okay, so I came across these adorable rockets. Hi, Troop 126. Thanks for joining. I came across these adorable rockets on Pinterest. Of course, Pinterest has a million things that are fun to do, and they're so cute. Girl Scouts of Hawaii loves rockets. Like, we have our air compressed launch rockets that we usually have at our STEM fests and STEM camps, but obviously I don't have those here. So these, here, I'll just show you what they look like. They're so cute. Look how cute these rockets are. Teeny tiny little things. So all you need is paper. Hi, Troop 4340. Awesome. Troop 349. Hey, Sarah. How's it going? So all you need is paper. This, if you use the regular print paper, you'll need to make a square. So cut it off right along this line after you make it square. This will give you an 8.5 inch square. Hey, Troop 1075. Hey, Noelle, how's it going? Okay. Or you can do like the origami papers. I think origami papers are like 6 inches. I prefer the 6 inch. So this is the difference in size if you use the 8.5 inch versus the 6 inch. So because Girl Scouts are, we use our resources wisely. I have tons of leftover scrapbooking paper, which is 12 inch by 12 inch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust things. I'm going to adjust my camera so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put it down. So I'm actually going to fold this and rip it so that I have my 6 inch square. So all of you former scrapbookers or those who still scrapbook, you can definitely do this. So, hey, Troop 616 from Kauai. Awesome. Troop 135. Hope you guys have your paper. Okay, so this is just giving me my 6 inch square piece of paper. And you only need one. And of course, with scrapbook paper, look how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, first, what you need is the folds that go like a plus sign, and then the folds that also make an X. So we're going to fold it this way first, and then the opposite direction. So that's what I call my plus sign fold. And then you're going to go catty corner, so corner to corner fold. And then the opposite way. Hope you guys are going along with me. Tell me if I'm going too fast. Then we're going to fold it so that it's a triangle. So these, you want a triangle in front of you. These are going to go inward. The sides are going to go inward, like so. Like that. So you want the triangle. Okay, your next fold is you're going to take this edge and line it up with this center crease. Just like this. Both sides of it. Okay, and then we're going to do it on the other side. So flip it over. Same thing. Line it up the edge with that center crease. So right now it looks like this. The next fold is probably the trickiest, but it's not that tricky. You're going to take this edge and go directly in straight. We're not lining up with this line. What we're doing is going straight in. If you can see how this line right here, they stay straight. That's what you want to do. So fold it so it's like that. So it looks like this. And do it on the other side. So now it looks like this on both sides. Now we're just going to make our little feet. The feet, going to take this edge here and line it up with this edge here. So just like this. So you're lining up right along there. Do that with all 4 feet. That's one side. I'm flipping it over. Just like that. So that's it. Now we just pop it open. So we're gonna put our finger in the center. You're gonna pop out this little spot right there on both sides. And that's it. Look how adorable that is. Pop it out up at the top. It helps keep it straight. How cute is that? Okay, so this is how it's launched. It's so cute. You can launch it all day long. But if you don't have a bendy straw, because I guess they're hard to find sometimes, just put it on the end of a straw. That'll work, right? Does anybody want me to do it again? Tell me if you want me to do it again. We can do one more. Let's do just one more, just so you can see it all again. So let's go back down here. We're going to make our folds. Then your diagonal folds. And fold this inside so it's a triangle. Then line up the edge with that center crease. Do the same on the other side. Then go directly in. Keeping this lined up right across here. Do that on the other side. And then fold your feet out. Just lining up with that little edge. And the other side. And then open it up. And there you have it. There's your rocket. All right. Happy rocket launches. Talk to you guys later. Have fun.